Hello guys, welcome to Dizzy Guide, and today we'll be learning about how to make a Gmail account or Google account from a phone. Guys, this is my first video, so I hope you will support me by subscribing my channel and help me reach my first 1000 subscribers. So let's start how to make a Gmail account or Google account. First we need to click on settings, then we need to find Google on inside the settings. The appearance of settings can be different as with different phone and brands, but we just need to find Google and click on it. After clicking on it, if you have already a Gmail account added in your phone, something like this will appear on your screen. But if you don't have any Gmail account, it will show add account. So let's click manage your Google account if you have already have a no sorry just click that above manager Google account and something like this will appear. So after that you'll click on add another account. After clicking that pass you can, if you have already a Gmail account, just put it there, or you can click on create account. For business, if you're creating a Gmail for your business, you can click on to manage my business, or it's for personal use, just click on for myself. So let's click on for myself. After this it will ask first name and last name of yours. Just type it out. I'm clicking here for YouTube. Okay, after that click on next. Then it will ask for your birth date and your gender. I'm just gonna click gender and I'll put it male. Okay, then I'll just put January 1 2000 so that I can remember for my future references. After that we'll click on next. It will show you some examples of your Gmail account as per your first name and last name, or you can personalize them by just clicking on create your own Gmail address. So I'll be creating my own Gmail address over here. So let's try something for YouTube digital guide. Dizzy guide. Okay, now let's, okay, YouTube dizzy guide. I think this will be okay. YouTube dot dizzy guide. Let's try it. Click on next. Okay, this username has already been taken, so I can't use this. So I'll choose something else, let's see, underscore. Okay, we can't use underscore. Okay, let's try something else. uh, okay, yt dot dizzy guide. Now let's click on next. Okay, and this is acceptable. So now put your password over here. After you have entered your password, click on next. Now it will ask for your phone number. You can choose your country or by just clicking on that small icon. I live in Nepal, so the Nepal map is the Nepal flag is over there. You can choose your country by clicking on there and just put your phone number. You can skip this part, and the Google says that this won't make your number public, so you don't have to worry about it, and you can add your number after making a Gmail account. So I'll just click on skip. But if you want to put your number, you can put your number and click on next, but I'll click on skip right now. So let's skip it, and my Gmail is ready, as simple as that. So I'll just click on next now, like you can see. Then it will ask to accept its privacy and terms and conditions of Google, so just click on I agree, and then just wait for a second. Okay, and it's almost done. And here, tada, your Google account is ready. So with this Google account or Gmail account, you can use different features of Google, like Gmail and YouTube, and many other features like Google Play Store. You will need a Google account to download apps, manage your apps of Google from Google Play Store. You can use Google Photos, you can use it for Google Drive, and many other features for from Google. This same Gmail account or Google account can be used to open different accounts of other sites like social sites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and many other sites. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you learned to open a Gmail account or Google account for yourself. um, if you haven't followed my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and help me and support me to reach my first 1,000 subscriber. As you can see, I'm really nervous. I hope you will support me. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye bye.